Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of dealing with the hassle of wires and cables in your car, then you definitely need to stick around for this review. Today, I'm going to be talking about the CarlinKit 5.0 2air Mini Wireless Android Auto Wired to Wireless CarPlay Adapter Smart Car Navigation Box 5G Wi-Fi BT Auto Connect. This little device is an absolute game changer when it comes to upgrading your car's technology. So, what exactly sets the CarlinKit 5.0 apart from its predecessor, the 4.0? Well, the 5.0 is designed to work with cars that have either wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto, allowing you to convert them to wireless seamlessly. This means that you can say goodbye to the hassle of plugging and unplugging your phone every time you get in and out of the car. And speaking of convenience, the CarlinKit 5.0 is all about making your life easier. It's a plug-and-play device, meaning there's no complicated installation process, just plug it into your car's USB port and you're good to go. Plus, it features wireless automatic connection, so once you've completed the initial pairing, it will automatically connect to your smartphone every time you get in the car. No more fumbling around to get connected, it's all done for you. One of the standout features of the CarlinKit 5.0 is its low power consumption design, which ensures that the product can run stably in different environments. And with its wide compatibility, supporting iPhones with iOS 10 or above and Android phones with Android 11 or above, it's a versatile device that can meet the needs of many car owners. But here's the best part, the CarlinKit 5.0 doesn't just bring convenience and compatibility to the table. It also delivers top-notch performance. With a 5.8 GHz wireless module, it's less susceptible to interference and offers a faster connection speed, making for a seamless user experience. So, whether you're an iPhone user looking for wireless CarPlay or an Android user in need of wireless Android Auto, the CarlinKit 5.0 has got you covered. It's time to upgrade your car's technology and make your life on the road easier than ever before. If you're ready to take the leap and revolutionize your car's technology, then don't hesitate to check out the CarlinKit 5.0 using the link in the description below. Trust me, once you experience the convenience and performance of this device, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and recommendations.